Have you ever felt lost or disconnected, longing for a sense of purpose and direction? Imagine turning back to the one who created you, finding peace and fulfillment in his guidance. If this resonates with you, stay tuned as we explore the journey of turning back to Allah and rewinding the ages of distance and distraction. Welcome to our channel where we discuss faith, inspiration, and the journey to spiritual growth. In today's video, we're talking about the importance of turning back to Allah, reconnecting with our Creator, and finding clarity in a world full of distractions. Let's begin. In our modern lives, it's easy to drift away from Allah. We're consumed by worldly pursuits, overwhelmed by responsibilities, and distracted by constant noise from technology and social media. This separation leaves many of us feeling spiritually empty, lost, and unfulfilled. The more we chase temporary happiness, the further we seem to stray from lasting peace and purpose. The challenge lies in recognizing this disconnection and taking steps to bridge the gap. So, how do we turn back to Allah and rewind the ages of distance? Sincere repentance. Begin by acknowledging where you've gone astray and sincerely seeking Allah's forgiveness. His mercy is limitless and He welcomes those who turn to Him. Prayer Salah. Establishing regular prayers reconnects you with Allah 5 times a day, grounding you and providing moments of reflection and gratitude. Quran and Dhikr. Engage with the Quran and remember Allah through dhikr. These practices fill your heart with peace and draw you closer to Him. Community and guidance. Surround yourself with a supportive community that encourages faith and positivity. Seek knowledge through scholars and authentic sources. Gratitude and patience. Reflect on the blessings in your life and trust in Allah's plan, even during challenges. Gratitude and patience strengthen your faith and resilience. Here's the turning point. No matter how far you've strayed, Allah's mercy and guidance are always within reach. Turning back to Him isn't about perfection. It's about intention and consistent effort. When you prioritize your relationship with Allah, you'll find a renewed sense of purpose and inner peace that no worldly achievement can provide. To summarize, turning back to Allah involves sincere repentance, regular prayer, engaging with the Quran, and fostering gratitude. It's a journey of small, consistent steps that lead to profound transformation. Remember, Allah's door is always open. Now it's your turn to reflect. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. What steps have you taken to reconnect with Allah? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and watch our next video on building a stronger connection with Allah. See you there.